Well, someone has solved. Okay. ABC, ABC angle was required. Mean this angle is required. Obviously, this is an obtuse angle, and one student has calculated this. Now you can see that we have three sides of the triangle ABC. From the triangle ABC, we have the three sides. So we can apply the cosine rule. Okay, another student has replied me. So we can apply the cosine rule over here. As you can see that in the triangle ABC, all the three sides are given. We have to find out angle. This angle is required. So directly cos of ABC is equal to 20 square plus 2 square minus 21.3 square. Check the sides that am I writing the correct sides or not. You will have to see it carefully whether I am applying the cosine rule correctly or not. You can see that this angle was required, that against this angle I have the side 21.3. So like in the previous sum, I have applied the cosine rule. Now again, with the help of the calculator, I can solve this. Let us see that what answer is. 20 square. Don't worry if you won't be able to the screen of my calculator. Please 22 square minus 21.3 square. Okay, divided by 80, and then shift cos of the answer 128. ABC angle is 128.4 degree. 128.4 degree. Well, let me see the answers of the rest of the students. Okay, there are two students who are giving me the correct answer. One student was giving me wrong answer. Only there are few students who are participating in the class. The rest of the students are not participating. I don't know why they are not participating. They are not taking interest in math, I think so. I want all of you, please participate, because there are few students only who are replying me. Very good for those. I appreciate for those who are replying me. And please, rest of the students, please respond. I am thinking that those who are not responding, they are just sitting, just signing. After signing it on, they might have left the class. Okay, AD. The side AD is required. Now I'll speak out the name of the student who has to reply me, because I have seen that many students, those who are replying me frequently, that is very good. Now I'm naming the student who is going to reply me. Ali Heather. Ali Heather, please tell me that how we are going to find out AD side from Ali Heather. Ali Heather, write in the chat box. Okay, Ali Heather, and then another Ali Murtaza. Ali Murtaza, you also Ali Heather, Ali Murtaza, both of you have to write down in the chat box, and then Hira Faisal, you will also have to reply me that how we are going to find out AD. And then mzan also, I'm also seeking the answer of mzan 10OA. And Mughis Tahir, you also, bache. These are the students who are not participating too much. There are more students also. At the moment, I'm naming only few students who are not participating in the class. I want the participation of all the students in the class. So please be vigilant in the class. We are going to find out AD. Well, those who are finding out AD, those who have found out AD, they can reply me. Okay. Well, how we are going to find out AD, Mughis Tahir? What strategy can we apply to find out AD? To find out AD, what should we do? If we are taking the triangle ADC, then you can see that we have only one length. Or we can take ABCD. This is a quadrilateral like trapezium. So how we can find out with the help of the trapezium the height AD? This is the major problem. That's how to find out the side AD. Now I am seeking your opinion. I am seeing because only few minutes are remaining. Otherwise, I will have to solve this. Well, yeah, well, Mughis Tahir, what should I do to find out AD? After a few seconds, I'll solve. Well, one student is giving me some excuses that he'll participate. Okay. Well, okay, you are not responding. So, well, those who are frequently replying me from those students, still I'm not getting any answer. So I can tell that you can, DC is a horizontal line. DC is a horizontal line. So you can draw a parallel line to DC like this. This is a parallel line passing through B. This parallel line which is passing through B is parallel to DC. Okay, so here I am naming this point as say E point. I myself have made this point E. Okay, now this BE line is parallel to DC line. Now what we have to do initially, just think it over. Now I have given you a clue that what you people are given, you know that already you have calculated this angle. This angle ABC is already calculated 128.4. From 128.4, the below one is 90 degree. So 128.4 minus 90 degree gives you 38.39. So this angle which I am mentioning, this angle is 38.9 degree. Now this side AB is also known and this angle is known. So with the help of sine ratio, perpendicular over hypotenuse, please notice my wording. If I am not wrong, perpendicular over hypotenuse is sine of 38.9. We can find out AE. So first of all, we are finding out AE, and this DE is already 2 meter because the parallel side of a rectangle. This is 2 meters. This is also 2 meter. Okay. So we can find out the side AE with the help of the sine ratio. So first of all, I am going to find out AE, perpendicular over hypotenuse. AE is the perpendicular over the hypotenuse is AB, which is 20, is equal to sine of 38.9 degree. Now, I am solving. Okay, students have given me very good picture. I am also solving it myself. 38.9. Okay, I got the answer which is matching with one student. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. students have given me the answer. It is almost AE is almost 12.5 meters. So AD is equal to 12.5 plus 2, which is equal to 14.5 meters. 14.5 meters. Okay. I hope that you have understood this, that how we are going to solve the problems like this. We have almost 5 minutes. During the 5 minutes, let me see a very complicated type of part. It's not, although it is not very complicated, it is the rest of the same part. This is the part which is related to the previous. As you know that this B to C is a vertical line. I'm focusing it on like this. Okay. Now here you can see that this is a three-dimensional shape also. This BC is a vertical line of 2 meters. As in the previous case, we got the height of the man who was flying the kite. This is BC. Okay. And the rest of the things, this 118 degree is the angle CED. CED. This DEC or CED is the horizontal triangle, and this DBE is a inclined triangle. It is just like an inclined plane. And this is a vertical line. BC is the vertical line. Remember this. We have to calculate DCE. DCE. It is very simple. Students have already calculated very efficiently because they know their DCE, this angle which is on the horizontal surface can be calculated 180 minus 118 plus 33 degree. So you have already calculated. You gave me the answer 29 degree. So this is 29 degree. Okay, now CE. CE is required. How we are going to find out the side CE? For finding out the side CE, we have to consider this triangle. We can consider this triangle BEC, or what should we do? This is the angle on the horizontal surface. Now you will have to tell me that how we are going to find out CE. CE. Okay, let me see the opinion of the students. How we are going. Sine law. Someone has told me that I have to apply the sine law to find out CE. That to find out CE, I am making the picture clear so that you must be aware of this. It is required that you have to find out CE. To find out CE, you can see that 8.6 meter is DE. DE is 8.6 meter. So we can apply the sine rule. Somebody has told me, because in the triangle DEC, in the triangle DEC, we can apply the sine rule. Okay, so because I'm making this DEC triangle for you on this separately. It is like this. DEC. Here this angle is 29 degree. This is 33 degree. This is 118 degree. This triangle is drawn on the horizontal surface. This side is 8.6, and we are going to find out EC. EC is required. So EC over sine of 33. Against this side, this sine of 33 is equal to DE side. DE side is 8.6 over sine of 29 degree. So let me see your answers, what you are saying about it. Someone has given me 15.6 meter. So I am taking his answer. You can check whether it is right or wrong. I am directly writing it without checking. So rest of the students can check whether this is right or wrong. Okay, because we have very little time. The angle of elevation of B from E. Angle of elevation B from E. Now this side is